Hello students, let's read this question. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. So let's check for first pair of expressions. So in first, we have given the expressions as 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0, and second one is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now comparing these equations by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, we can simply get the values of a1 as 5, value of b1 as minus 4, value of c1 as 8, value of a2 as 7, value of b2 as 6, and value of c2 as minus 9. So we can calculate what is a1 by a2. So a1 by a2 will be 5 by 7. Similarly, what is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 will be minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3. And what is c1 by c2? c1 by c2 is 8 by minus 9, or we can say minus 8 by 9. So as we can see, since a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, so we can say that the pairs of equation the pairs of equations given in the question have a unique solution and the lines cross each other at exactly one point. Move on to the second one. In second, we have given the expressions as 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. So comparing these equations by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, we get a1 equals to 9, b1 equals to 3, c1 equals to 12, a2 equals to 18, b2 equals to 6, and c2 equals to 24. So what will be A1 by A2? A1 by A2 will be 9 by 18, which is 1 by 2. And what is B1 by B2? B1 by B2 will be 3 by 6, which is again 1 by 2. And what is C1 by C2? It is 12 by 24, which is equals to 1 by 2. So as we can see, since A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2, so the pair of lines have infinite many solutions, and lines are coincident. Move on to the third one, that is 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0, and second equation is 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. Comparing first equation by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and comparing second equation by a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, we get a1 equals to 6, b1 equals to minus 3, and c1 equals to 10, and a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to minus 1, and c2 equals to 9. Now, if we calculate a1 by a2, it will be 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 1. Similarly, if we calculate b1 by b2, it will be minus 3 by minus 1, which is equals to 3 by 1. And if we calculate c1 by c2, it is equals to 10 by 9. Since a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, so we can say the pair of the given equations are parallel to each other, and the lines never intersect each other, so the lines are parallel and never intersect each other, and there is no possible solution for the given pair of equations. So we have found out the whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincident for all of the following equations, pair of equations. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.